Good morning, Amy. It's Stephen from Anchor Cars. Thank you very much for your inquiry on what I can say is a very nice looking 1 litre VW Polo in good condition. So the reason for this video is just to go around the vehicle, show you any sort of minor cosmetics that will be carried out, and the condition to the inside as well. So as we start off on the front offside alloy, it's been quite well maintained. Obviously due to the age you might get a slight little bit of wear and tear, but other than that the general bodywork is in good order. I've had a number of these over the years, about 5 or 6 to be precise. You've also got a spare wheel as well. We've got the 60/40 rear split folding seats. And again, that alloy is in pretty good order. Minor surface mark just there, but again that will easily polish out. Interior has been well maintained as well. So all in all, in quite good condition. Obviously a bit of surface dust obviously where we are located, but again, coming into the driver's side, there's no obvious wear and tear to the seats. And the current mileage is just a tad over 46,000 miles. You've got your front and rear parking sensors, all your air conditioning controls as well. If we go back onto menu,
it's got Apple CarPlay.
It does have Apple CarPlay. Manual gearbox, so it's a five gear manual gearbox. Air conditioning unit just there. And then you've got your volume control, and you can actually change on here. So depending what you'd like on here, you can scroll through the options as well to suit your needs. Hopefully that gives you a better insight on the vehicle. If you do have any questions, please feel free to let me know and I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.